Action.
Now, I have simply taken some of this cookie dough and I put it on a plate. College experiment, we have no hot plates. We have no oven that really works. But we got a microwave. Let's nuke it! Assistant, how long should we put it in there for?
3 minutes.
3 minutes it is.
Excuse me. Wait a minute.
I wonder why they don't have a cookie thing up here. They got pizza, baked potato, and popcorn.
Because that full flavor of love used the chicken and put raw chicken in there.
Yeah. Now, let's see what happens. It's melting.
It's melting. Let's see here.
It is cooking.
Are you sure?
I am.
Are you positive?
I am.
Let me see. Look at it. It's cooking. It is official. You can make cookies in the microwave.
Well, we're not done yet. Let's see how good it cooks it though.
Wow.
It's getting kind of burnt. Hold on.
Taste the masterpiece. Eat it.
I don't think I want to.
Taste the good side.
It tastes like the cookie dough.
It's just not crispy.
Yeah, but it's cooked.
Just 1 month ago. Just the shell.
Wow.
And it's turned just
And there we have it. A cookie in the microwave.